Good morning, everybody. Let's sharpen some plane irons, or one rather. This is a 1000 grit sharpening stone, and that is a flattening stone. I don't know who it's made by. But this is the first time I've cleaned it out, so I went ahead and did it on camera. It's a Klein screwdriver, and I'm just cleaning out all the gunk that's accumulated over the last few months. This takes the stone, cuts the stone back quite quickly compared to using the diamond stone that some of y'all have seen me use. So get a bunch of water on there, and we will flatten the stone. You keep going until it's dead yellow and there's no more marks. But you see there's a little indentation. This is another way to check to see if it's flat. Just make diagonal marks both ways, and when you come back and start flattening it, there won't be any left when it's flat. A little bit more water and flatten it. I pushed pretty hard on there. Don't push so hard you break it, but push hard enough. Get my blade ready, just kind of showing you it's hollow ground. So we're gonna just go back and forth. Since it's hollow ground, it gives you a good rest to keep that bevel angle. A little burr. I'm gonna go ahead and clean out the metal that's accumulated inside the stone. So I'm gonna remove the burr. The back of this blade isn't totally flat, but it's flat towards the business end, which is all that matters. So, but I'm continuously flattening this stone out. This is high-speed steel, so it's a lot harder than other steels. The burr is sufficiently removed. That's just a little jig I made up to the size of those stones, and every time they wear out, I gotta plunge the screws deeper and then remove some more of the pine to get it lower. It's a 5000 grit stone. Right now I'm just relieving the edges of the plane blade. You just set it, lift it up a few millimeters, and then pull back. We do this so when you plane, it doesn't leave tracking marks in the piece that you're planing, but they do have to be sharp, so you just can't dull them out. But it doesn't take very much. And here's me showing you how cool it looks. Look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and polish this up. There we go. We're just slowly refining the edge. Looks like we got a little wire edge there, and we'll just go ahead and remove it. We got a little crazy here with the polishing. Can't be too shiny though. You can see a little hollow in the back there, but it's flat towards the edge. It's the 8000 stone. Like I said previously, this doesn't wear this much. I don't know if it's because it's tighter grain or what. It just takes a few strikes with the flattening stone to get it cleaned up. Some more water, and we will go ahead and polish this guy. This is our last stone we're going to use. Just kind of checking on my work. You don't have to push so hard. The main goal is to remove the other scratches. We're sharpening the little chamfered edges that we did. It was already chamfered, so I didn't do it on the 1000 grit. I just went ahead and refined it with the 5 and 8000 stones. We'll polish the back here after we're all said and done. It's my little pump sprayer. Here we go. Pump. Peep. There. It's all done. Get the back all nice and polished. Clean it up. I get a little crazy with the cleaning up on this video. I have cut myself doing this too, so be careful. And I think I'm going to clean up this board. Yeah, there we go. Looks real nice. So leather strop. It's got green and red compounds. I use this quite often. But this will just give the final polish on the front and back of the blade. And I do see a noticeable difference when I didn't use it before, but once I started using it, the blade will stay sharper. And you can just go ahead and strop it too instead of taking it to the stones right away, and you'll get some more life out of your plane until the next sharpening. I do about 20 or so, and I push down, medium pressure, not so hard, but I don't do it really quick because you'll cut the leather when you're coming back, especially when I'm going this way. But you want to do the back as well. But after you're done this, your blade should be pretty sharp. We're going to go ahead and test it on a piece of paper. This is the way I usually test it. But the paper's got to not have much moisture in it, or else it won't cut. But it does here. So that's how you sharpen a plane iron, or how I do. Hope you guys liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And check me out on Twitch, www.twitch.tv/timberbymark. Thank you.